In this video, I'll show you how to allow Pinterest access to your photos. If you want to upload a picture, create a pin, or save an image from your phone to Pinterest, the app needs permission to access your photos. The steps are simple, but they may look slightly different depending on whether you use an iPhone or an Android phone. First, let's start with iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you find Pinterest, then tap on it. Now look for Photos. Tap Photos, and you will see a few permission options. To give Pinterest full access to your photo library, choose Full Access or All Photos, depending on your iOS version. If you only want Pinterest to access selected pictures, choose Selected Photos, then pick the photos you want to allow. After that, close Settings and open the Pinterest app again. Now, when you try to create a pin or upload an image, Pinterest should be able to access your photos. Now let's go over the steps for Android. Open the Settings app on your Android phone. Go to Apps, then search for and select Pinterest. Next, tap Permissions. Look for photos and videos, files and media, or storage, depending on your Android version. Tap that option, then choose Allow. On newer Android phones, you may also see an option to allow access to selected photos only. Choose the option that works best for you. Once permission is turned on, open Pinterest again and try uploading or selecting a photo. If Pinterest still cannot access your photos, close the app completely and reopen it. You can also restart your phone, update the Pinterest app, or reinstall it if the permission settings still do not work. And that's it. Pinterest should now have access to your photos, so you can upload images, create pins, and save content more easily. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.